Hello, my name is Aman, and this one is assignment number 5 for data collection course. So let's start. Our assignment 5 was to about the topic time series analysis and the predictive analysis. So we have 5 tasks. Task 1 is data importing dataset, no data and cleaning. Second one is time series analysis. We are going to visualize, feed these components such as ARIMA, SARIMAX, and the third task is predictive analysis. We are going to create the features, train a KNN model, etc. So the last one is visualizing and the reporting. We will compare and yes. So let's start. Let's start from task number 1. Here I'm going to import all necessary libraries. And I think this one is not such interesting. So let's go. Here I have a CVC file for weather. And here you can see I have a real data. We are going to verify the first 5 rows. So you can see here, and we are going to data cleaning and the processing. We are converting data columns to proper data format and etc. So here I'm going to convert a row, column to that dataset form, and here I'm also converting a UTC time zone to native date time and etc. So here I have all selected features such as the temperature of the weather, the appearance temperature, the wind speed, and etc. Columns for weather. So here you can see I'm going to show the first 5 rows, which is you can see here a temperature, operation temperature, and the humidity, wind speed, etc. So the data range you can see here, it's starting from 2005 until 2018 16th years. So number of the day, it's 2019 days. I mean whole of the period of our data set. Second task is about time series. We are going to visualize the temperature time series to understand patterns, the composite series into the trends, and etc. That was in our requirements in the task. So let's start from time series visualizing. So here you can see a temperature time series visualizing. We are going to create a line plot to visualize a daily the daily temperature over the time. You can see here we are going to see in the summer we are going to see a high temperature, and in winter we are going to see a lower temperature. And this data set is from 2006 until 2016, this period how temperature has been changed. So next one is the time series decomposition. Decomposition separates the time series into 3 components: thread, seasonal, and radicular. So yes, here you can see seasonal decomposite. Is this one? Yes, I have as my trend, my graph. Second one is the trend that we are going to convert. Third one is a seasonal, and the last one is a was a radicular. Yes. Next one is we are going to train or test the split. We are going to splitting data into the training sets or test sets. Let's call it test sets. So we are going to test a period in the 1 year. So I'm going to train and the test. Yes, I have a here verification. So next one is external smoothing models. So it stands for error, trend, error, trend, and the seasonal. And I'm going to here use it. Yes. So next one is ARIMA model. ARIMA, it's auto regression integration moving average into statistic model. So here I'm going to use an ARIMA. You can see here my ARIMA graph, and I'm also using a ARIMA, yes, residuals. So task 3 is about predictive analysis. We are going to import all the necessary libraries, then creating a future dataset, creating a temperature alias, so creating a leggings. So next one is creating rolling average feature, and we have a day of the week, months, day on the year. Next. So here you can see my data set that my feature is working. Next one is defining feature matrix X and Y. You can see here all my features. I'm going to create a temporary file. So here we are going to train a KNN model. I successfully completed it. Next one is a task about number 4, visualizing and reporting. So we are going to compare an ETS and ARIMA forecasting visualizing a KNN model and a linear regression. So here we are going to compare ETS and ARIMA forecasting with actual values. Here is all my code, and here's the graph that showcasing how we are going to compare. Green is a ARIMA, yellow is a ETS forecast, the blue is the actual. Second one is linear regression prediction with actual values. Yes, yellow is a linear regression, blue is the actual values. Yes, here I'm going to again show. The next one is a KNN, and yes, I trained the KNN model to showing the graphs that it's work. I think that is all.